Hello again, class. Finally, we're at the last page of Unit 5. How electromagnets are used. Or how are electromagnets used? So, many modern inventions use electromagnets. For example, many schools have an electric bell that rings to indicate the end of class. Electric bells use electromagnetism. Other electromagnetic inventions include high-speed trains, speakers, and microphones. So here we will look at uses of electromagnets. The electric bell. So number one, the switch is closed and the electric current flows through the circuit. Okay. We need to practice this word, circuit, not circuit. Okay? 2. The current produces a magnetic field in the electromagnet. 3. The hammer, this here, the hammer is attracted to the electromagnet and hits the bell. 4. The movement of the hammer breaks the circuit and the hammer returns to its original position. Then the cycle begins again. The cycle repeats very quickly. The maglev, okay? Maglev. A magnetic levitation train, or maglev, so maglev is magnetic and levitation put together, uses electromagnets to levitate above its track. Magnets are also used to move the train forward. What's levitate? Let's have a look. Levitate, to rise above a surface and remain suspended in the air. Okay, so levitate is like floating. Okay. 1. The maglev has magnets in the base of the train. The base is underneath. 2. The tracks have magnets at either side, here and here. 3. The lower magnets are positioned so that they will repel the magnets in the train, causing the train to levitate above the track. 4. The magnets above and in front of the train attract the magnets in the train, causing the train to move forward. This concept, it may be easier to find a YouTube video to explain it using maybe an animation or different visual cues, because it's a little bit difficult to understand just from explaining or reading. We may need to watch a video. So speakers and microphones. Microphones and speakers work in the same way. In a speaker, electric current causes a cone, this part here is the cone, to vibrate and produce sound. In a microphone, sound waves cause a cone to vibrate. This vibration causes a magnet to vibrate. This vibration is then transformed into electric current as the magnet moves through a coil of wire. So a speaker, the current goes through the magnet and vibrates the cone to produce sound. A microphone is in reverse. So the sound goes in, vibrates the cone, and that vibrates the magnet, which then is transferred into an electric current. So a microphone and a speaker work in reverse. 1. Electric current travels through the coil of a wire. This creates a magnetic field that switches on and off rapidly. 2. The magnetic field attracts the magnet, which is attached to the cone. 3. The cone vibrates rapidly, producing sound waves. So this is the last page of Unit 5, I believe. Yes. So we finish with how are electromagnets used.